Hey there, it's Sarah. Have you ever found yourself puzzled by the dating dynamics between older men and younger women? Today, we're peeling back the layers on the biggest turnoffs for younger women that many older men simply don't realize. By the end of this video, you'll understand these crucial points, helping you navigate the dating scene with more confidence and insight. And don't forget, we have a special bonus tip waiting for you at the end of the video. This tip will provide you with an essential strategy to avoid these turnoffs. Make sure to stick around for it. Before we begin, for anyone feeling stuck in the dating world, check out our free 60-minute coaching call. You'll find the link in the description or pinned comment. Ready to get a clearer perspective on what younger women truly find unappealing? Let's uncover these key points together. 1. Over-reliance on traditional gender roles. Gone are the days when men were expected to take the lead on everything while women played more passive roles. Today, younger women are all about equality and independence, and they're drawn to men who respect and embrace this shift. So, what does this mean for you? First off, it's essential to acknowledge and celebrate her career and ambitions. If she's passionate about her job or a particular project, show genuine interest. Ask her about her work, her goals, and what excites her. This isn't just polite conversation. It's showing that you value her as a complete person, not just someone to date. Supporting her ambitions could mean anything from offering encouragement to understanding when she's got a hectic schedule. It's about being her cheerleader, not trying to steer the ship of her life. And remember, this is a two-way street. Just as you're supporting her, there's room for her to engage with and support your interests and ambitions. Embracing this more balanced approach to roles can not only prevent potential turnoffs, but also open the door to a more meaningful and dynamic relationship. So, let's leave those outdated scripts behind and step into a more inclusive way of connecting. 2. Underestimating the importance of digital communication. For younger women, these tools aren't just gadgets or apps. They're integral to how they connect, share, and stay informed. Now for the gentleman tuning in, embracing digital communication doesn't mean you need to become a tech whiz overnight. It's about understanding the basics and using them to keep the connection alive and kicking. For starters, being responsive is key. If she sends you a message, don't let it sit for days. A timely response shows you're engaged and interested. But here's where it gets a bit nuanced. While staying connected is vital, there's a fine line between being attentive and overwhelming. Bombarding her with messages or liking every single social media post might come off as a bit much. Balance is the name of the game. Also, let's talk about the content of your communication. Keep it light, genuine, and respectful. Show interest in her life and share bits of yours. And hey, emojis? They're not just for kids. A well-placed smiley can go a long way in conveying your tone and keeping things friendly. Digital communication is a fantastic way to show you're in tune with the times and genuinely invested in the connection. So, take the plunge, stay respectful, and let the digital dialogue enhance your relationship, not complicate it. 3. Failing to appreciate modern dating norms. The dating playbook has evolved, and staying in the loop is key to forging genuine connections. First things first, understanding consent is non-negotiable. It's the cornerstone of respect in any interaction today. Consent isn't just about the big moments. It's about valuing her comfort and boundaries in every situation, big or small. Then there's the importance of mutual interests. Gone are the days when dates were a one-size-fits-all affair. Today, it's about finding common ground and enjoying shared experiences. Whether it's a love for outdoor adventures, a passion for music, or a shared interest in culinary delights, aligning on what you both enjoy can make your time together more meaningful and enjoyable. So, how can you stay abreast of these evolving norms? Listen actively when she shares her views, show genuine interest in what matters to her, and don't shy away from open, honest communication. Remember, every person you meet brings a new perspective, and embracing this diversity can enrich your dating experience. Appreciating and adapting to modern dating norms isn't just about making a good impression. It's about building a foundation of respect, understanding, and shared interests that can lead to deeper, more meaningful connections. So keep an open mind, stay curious, and let your dating journey be an adventure that keeps you learning and growing. 4. Ignoring lifestyle and energy level differences. Yes, the zest for life and daily routines can vary, but that doesn't mean you can't find a happy middle ground. Firstly, acknowledging these differences is step 1. It's not about changing who you are or pretending to be someone you're not. It's about finding activities and interests that both of you can get excited about. Love jazz while she's into indie rock? Why not explore each other's music scenes together? You might find a new favorite, or at least have a good story to tell. Secondly, consider energy levels. If she's a marathon runner and you're more of a leisurely walker, find a balance. Maybe it's a scenic hike that offers both challenge and relaxation. It's all about compromise and being open to new experiences. And let's not forget the simple joy of learning from each other. She might introduce you to the latest tech gadget, while you could share a classic film she's never heard of. It's these shared moments and mutual discoveries that can really bridge any gap. In essence, embracing and respecting lifestyle and energy level differences can actually enrich your relationship. It's an opportunity to grow, learn, and most importantly, have fun together. So, dive in, find that common ground, and enjoy the journey together. If these dating tips are helping you, imagine what a personalized strategy session could do. Click the like button, drop us a comment, and don't forget to book your free strategy call to discover how to meet more women and date with assurance. The link is in the pinned comment. 5. Overlooking fashion and appearance expectations. The way you dress and groom can say a lot about you, especially in the dating scene. First impressions do count, and your personal style can play a big role in sparking that initial attraction. But here's the kicker. Staying in vogue doesn't mean losing your identity in the latest trends. It's about blending your unique style with a touch of contemporary flair. Maybe that classic watch you love pairs well with a modern jacket, or your favorite vintage shoes add a perfect twist to a more current outfit. Grooming is part of the package too. A well-maintained look shows that you care about yourself and how you present to the world. It's not about age, it's about attitude. Keeping things tidy, whether it's your hair, beard, or nails, sends a message of self-respect and attention to detail. So, how do you strike this balance? Stay updated with current trends, but filter them through your personal aesthetic. If something feels right and reflects who you are, incorporate it into your wardrobe. Don't shy away from asking for advice, whether from friends or professionals, and remember, confidence is your best accessory. Harmonizing your personal style with a dash of modernity is not just about looking good. It's about feeling good and showing the world a glimpse of who you are, enhancing your appeal and making every encounter more memorable. 6. Neglecting emotional availability and maturity. These are not just buzzwords. They're the pillars of any strong, meaningful connection, especially in the eyes of younger women. They're looking for someone who's not just present, but also engaged, someone who can share and understand deep emotions. Being emotionally mature means you're in tune with your feelings and can express them in a clear, healthy way. It's about being honest with yourself and your partner, handling conflicts with grace, and showing empathy. These qualities can be incredibly attractive and foster a deeper bond. So, how can you showcase this emotional depth? First, listen actively. When she talks, give her your full attention. It's not always about fixing things. Sometimes it's about being a supportive ear. Show that you can engage in deep conversations, share your thoughts and feelings, and invite her to do the same. Also, don't shy away from showing vulnerability. It's a strength, not a weakness. It shows that you're confident enough in yourself to be open and honest, which can create a strong foundation of trust. Thus, emotional availability and maturity are about being fully present in the relationship, offering support, sharing your inner world, and embracing hers. By doing so, you not only deepen your connection, but also demonstrate that you're a partner who values growth and understanding in a relationship. Bonus tip: the pitfall of patronizing behavior. Here's your bonus tip, one that's absolutely golden. Steer clear of patronizing or condescending behavior. It's a surefire way to dampen the spark in any relationship, especially with younger women who value respect and equality. No one likes to feel belittled or underestimated, and it's crucial to ensure your interactions are grounded in mutual respect. So, how can you avoid falling into the trap of patronizing behavior? Start by recognizing her as an equal partner. Her thoughts, experiences, and opinions are just as valid and valuable as yours. When she speaks, listen with an intent to understand, not to judge or correct. This isn't just about avoiding negative behavior. It's about actively fostering a positive, respectful dynamic. Encourage open dialogue and be willing to learn from her. Relationships are two-way streets, and there's always room for growth and new perspectives. Embrace the opportunity to see the world through her eyes, and let her know you value her insights. Remember, communication is key. It's about sharing and building together, not dictating or diminishing. By cultivating an environment of mutual respect and understanding, you'll not only avoid the pitfall of patronizing behavior, but also enrich your relationship in meaningful, enduring ways. So, cherish this tip, apply it, and watch your connections flourish with the genuine respect they deserve. So now you know the biggest turnoffs for younger women. What's next? Discover the 6 signs you're an attractive older man, or learn when a younger woman likes an older man but tries to hide it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.